lovely people! How are you guys doing? What's up? The internet is a wonderful place full of knowledge and cat videos and life hack videos. Yes, life hacks. They're there too. It's hard to ignore them. Which makes me think, why, when there are so many life hacks and DIY tutorials promising to make our lives easier, are we still struggling? How do you explain that? Maybe it's because they don't work. Exactly. I mean, I don't want to be mean, but I'm kinda going to. Some hack videos are useful, but most of them are very dumb. Today I'm gonna be trying out some hacks that I found on the internet that are very questionable. That crunch was good. So remember that shorts that I posted a few days ago?
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
That's not the shorts I meant. I'm talking about the YouTube shorts where I was trying to froth my foundation. And you might be asking yourself, but why? Because TikTok. That's why. Everyone on TikTok is frothing their foundation. So I had to try it. And spoiler alert, it's nothing more than a massive waste of foundation. Helicopter. Plus, these shorts made me realize that I hate, from the bottom of my heart, I hate the word frothing. Who came up with it? Every time I say it, it sounds like I have peanuts in my mouth. Frothing. But long before the frothing foundation trend popped up on TikTok, there was another weird foundation trend. You still need water and you still need your foundation, but instead of frothing it, this time you're just gonna let your foundation go Titanic mode. Come back. TikTok is attacking everything I love and I can't attack back. Yes, I'm very interested in finding out how good my foundation is at swimming. Don't feel bad, foundation. That's exactly how I swim too. I don't. I just sink. La. And then you get something that looks like this. Oh, look at that little heart over there. Ah, that's so adorable of you, foundation. I know. I love you too. And then you're supposed to play lifeguard with your foundation, you know, Baywatch kind of style. Foundation! Foundation, don't worry baby, I'm coming for you! Oh, that kind of hurt my face. But before we save it, I need to gently mix it with my brush and then scoop it out and start smearing it on my face. Look at that, that's my foundation crying over there. I'm so sorry, foundation. Do I see any difference in the way my foundation looks? No? They say that doing this to your foundation makes it transfer proof.
Nope.
Also, they're claiming that once you put your foundation in the water, that makes the oil from your foundation to separate from it. And to be honest with you, there is a very weird residue on the glass. So I don't know, maybe that's the oil they're talking about? Look at me. No, seriously, look at me. Do I look like a scientist to you? Do I look like I know what I'm doing? No, but there is one thing I can tell you for sure. Drowning your foundation is not the solution. We need to stop foundation violence. What are we doing? Or you can just simply use water-based foundations. They have zero oils in them. Unlike my will to stop eating candy, they actually exist. What if I told you we've been using micellar water wrong this whole time? Check it out. This can't be real. Cotton pad, micellar water. Moment of truth. I almost passed out, but I'm okay. I don't feel my upper lip. Hold on, I'm gonna try it out with different micellar water. Look at all of this foam I created. This other micellar water is foaming so nicely. YouTuber by day, Santa Claus by night. I don't know how I feel about that, but I wanna see if it works through a paper towel. It doesn't. Now it feels like I'm just using a foaming cleanser. Oh my god, it's so soapy. This is very awesome, but I think that I know how to make it even more awesome. This is some foaming cleanser. I'm just gonna pour some of it on my cotton pad. 3, 2, 1. It smells very nice. Oh my god. Oh, I'm okay. I think this was awesome. I got soap through my nose all the way up to my brain, but that's okay. My brain needed some cleaning anyways. This is my last cotton pad. We need to make it count. How did I do that? Toot. Yes. So sorry, Llama, for exposing your butt. That was very inappropriate. I'm so sorry. Yes, I'm here. Tell me. I don't understand what you're telling me. It's eyebrows o'clock? Got it. Toot. Listen guys, my eyebrows, they are they've been through a lot. I have a very long history of messing up with my eyebrows. My eyebrows have been bubbles, clouds, waves, not visible, a little too visible, seaweed, I think. I don't know, but never have they ever been disrespected in this way. Oh, that looks so nasty. I'm just gonna feather my eyebrows, literally. I saw this on Facebook, I think, and I was like, Facebook is getting very accurate at showing me the things that I'm into. And I'm not even following this page. I feel like if you ask some people, what bird do you think that you are? Some will say an eagle, others will say an owl, or even hummingbird. But me on the other hand, I think I'm a chicken. I feel like in my previous life, I was a chicken. We have so much in common. Like for example, I can't fly. Chickens can't fly. And before you go, Danny, some chickens can fly. Shh. I know that there are some exceptions, but most of them can't. Second, they're not very smart. So am I. Anyways, it's not chicken o'clock. Cheers. It's not chicken o'clock, it's eyebrows o'clock. So let's go ahead and do the other eyebrow. Wait, from 1 to 10, how ugly are my eyebrows?
1,000.
They look like reversed 2000s eyebrows. I also kind of look like I have 4 eyebrows. Why do I have this massive urge to fill in the little gap over here? Oh my god. Should I do it? I think I'm gonna do it. I have a better idea. Hold up. Oh my god, this is horrible. I love it. This was a very dumb idea. I wanted to make it look like a river is passing through my eyebrows, but now they look more of like some kind of a poisonous blue centipede. Oh god, oh. Burn it. It's still moving. Smack it with a flip-flop. A centipede, Pete, in the center. From far away, kinda cool. Up close, terrifying. They're so close, yet so far away. So remember that lip plumping hack that I tried not that long ago? The one with the lash curler. Ah! Ow, 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 ow. This hurts. I don't think that we can even call it a lip plumping hack. That's wrong. It's incorrect because it doesn't plump the lips up. That was a little spoiler, but that's okay. It doesn't work. It's like calling this piece of bread a train. Does it make doo-doo? No? Well, then it's not a train. But there is something I didn't know back then. There is a more advanced version to that hack. We're taking dumb on a whole new level of dumb. In this video, they're still curling their lashes, but they're also tying them up with an elastic band, like a ponytail. But why? I'm not a fortune teller. I can't predict the future. But there is one thing I can tell you for sure. I don't think that this will work. Ow! Ow! My lip is very slippery. Ow! My lips feel violated. Oh! I did it. No, I didn't. I feel like my upper lip is just... It's not big enough. I did it! I did it! It looks like a little button I can press. I just look mad. I'm not. Maybe if I don't... Ow! That's a personal attack on my lips. I was saying maybe if I don't tie it so tightly... Yeah, nothing happens. Listen, my friends, listen. I don't think that this is good for you. Honestly, this is kind of dangerous. The only thing I got out of this hack is pain. That hurts. Blood circulation is something that you shouldn't be messing up with. After further consideration, I came to the conclusion that this hack is trash. So please don't try it at home, because it's the bad kind of dumb. You know, the one that is harmful and pointless. Next hack. Eyeliner hacks. They're my favorite, but there is something special about this one. I searched on Google how long should my eyeliner wing be, and Google was like,
the length of the wing is up to you. Up to you. Up to you.
What do you mean it's up to me? Google, don't leave anything up to me. You're supposed to be the responsible one here. I was today's years old when I found out that I'm 3 years older than Google. Yep, I was born 3 years BG before Google. I think I'm old. So you know how you can use hair extensions to make your hair look longer? Well, I can do the same, but with my eyeliner. Who is here to stop me? That's right, no one. I don't know how I haven't thought of this earlier. All I need to do is get some paper, cut it, paint it, stick it. I've never looked more fierce eating yogurt. Oh my god, my head looks like that with that golden bow, the golden snitch from Harry Potter. Look at it. Now look at me. We're the same thing! But without the golden. And I'm also not a snitch. Because snitches get stitches. That's what they say. I don't want to find out if it's true. I just trust them. Yes, I always wanted to fight my haters with my eyeliner. Oh my god, this is perfect. I can just... I love this so much. This is my favorite hack ever. We need to make this a thing. Come on now. Look how fun it is. I can't stop shaking my head. This video will give me brain damage. I like how smoothly they're moving. But there is something that I'm wondering, and if I don't try it out, I won't be able to fall asleep tonight, so I need to try it out. I wonder how extreme I can go. Why stop here? I can explain this, but I don't think that I have to. Sorry, I didn't like your performance. It's going to be a no from me. Bravo, bravo. I have to be very careful how I'm passing through the doors. I'm sorry, my eyeliner just let me. Okay. I don't know how to use chopsticks, you guys. It's just Can I have a fork? Chopsticks? Did I just say chopsticks? I meant chopsticks. I know how to use chopsticks.
Flashback.
Can we grease the bun? Yes, we can. Grease that bun. Meow. Hey, you wanna go grab some cheesecake? I don't know. I don't really like cheesecake. It's overrated and it's full of sugar. It's ugh. I don't think I wanna be your friend anymore. Brother? I'm just having a little bit trouble deciding how to put glasses on. Like, should they go above my eyeliner or under my eyeliner? It doesn't matter because once I put them on, I look invincible. I can be just eating peanuts and I look unstoppable. No one can stop me from eating these peanuts. I can use my eyebrows to hang stuff. Like, I can decorate my eyebrows. This reminds me of that game we used to play when we were kids. I mean, I don't know about you, but I used to play it a lot. It had water inside and some hoops. Same thing. Oh my god, I love this. I didn't know I had so much eyebrow strength. Like, look at them. That's an eyebrow workout. These hairbands, they don't look heavy, but they actually are. Okay, 3 hairbands. Can I do that? Yes, I can do that. 4 hairbands on each side. Let's see. Huh. Oh my god, I'm the best. More. Give me more. Yes. 3 more on each side. No. Stop it. No. You stay there. Don't move. Okay, this is going to be a challenge, but I think I've got it. 3, 2, 1. Can I like pull them out? Okay, why did I do that? Now I'm sad. Hey, this actually looks kinda cool. Lip stains. How do you feel about them? What if I tell you there is a way you can DIY one? Well. Yeah, her videos went viral on TikTok. She's basically using food coloring as her lip stain. So she's just applying it on the lips, waiting for a few minutes, and then wiping it off. And boom, lip stain. I don't know if it's safe for me to do this, but apparently not everything that is safe for the stomach is safe for the skin. What just happened? Electricity cut. Was that a warning? Should I proceed? In the video you can see that she's using liquid food coloring. The only food coloring that I have is this one over here, which is in a more jelly kind of form. So okay, now what? For how long I should be waiting?
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Oh, guys, it worked! What is going on? No, stop it! It worked! Okay, let's try it out. Transfer proof. Leak proof. Oh no, it's kind of coming off. Baby wipe? Oh, baby wipe not proof. Oh, come on. The baby wipe ruined everything. That's actually not bad because now I can try it out with different colors. And I have so many of them. Which one should I use? Nah. Should I try it out with blue? Am I going to look dead? This is purple. Oh, I'm scared. Oh, sultry. Oh no, it's getting on my teeth. We have a teeth emergency. I don't want it to get on my teeth. Uh-oh. Guys, it's not coming off. I think I need something wet. Baby wipe. Okay, the baby wipe is murdering everything. I honestly don't know what I was expecting, but it was definitely not this. It's not leak proof. That's kind of giving me hope. Oh no, look, it said under the dry skin on my lips. Oh, this is not good. It's time.
It just doesn't feel right.
For how long I should be waiting? I don't know. I'm bored and scared.
Somebody stop me!
Ah! Okay, this is how it looks before I go over it with a baby wipe. Let's see. It's not leak proof. It's not kiss proof. My teeth look so green. My dentist will have some questions. Okay, baby wipe, do your magic. I like the idea of lip stains, but I have a big issue with them. Because if your lips are chapped, they tend to get under the dry skin and your lips end up looking worse. It's the exact same thing with the food coloring. I can't remove the little stains. I tried scrubbing my lips with some lip scrub. I tried covering them with some foundation, which made it look worse for some reason. So covering them up with lipstick, that was my only option. They still look horrible under the lipstick. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. It was so much fun for me. If there is one hack I would recommend you to try out, which one? I think that my favorite one is the eyeliner. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, then why don't you go ahead and check out this one next. I tried some more weird hacks. Or you can check out this one. I tried doing my makeup using some very strange techniques. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!